Good evening to day 237. I didn't do any filming today. I've been flat out myself. The guys have been quite busy as well. What have we done today? So the first thing we actually did was get the DPM and weatherproof, waterproof down for the rebar boys in the driveway. So just spin that around and show you. So the rebar started. So the DPM is a waterproof base. We pest treated that yesterday before the DPM went round. We weigh it down, obviously stones, just to make sure it doesn't blow away. Then obviously all the beams have been put in today. So as you can see, around the perimeter, we've got the beam all the way around, including in front, and then they'll do the rebar on the smocks in there. We removed all of the remaining formwork from downstairs. That's been done. We chased in this pipework all the way around here. We put T-junctions in there so that if the water does get here, it falls into what is now the pipework, and that then will run all the way around out of the patio. And then we've also drilled right through into the basement downstairs and put a trap there so that the pool of water that does come here will now find its way through here. And at some stage we'll land up having it coming out connected directly into the manhole. So that's what we've been up to.